Alright, so on this video of Robbie Off-Road, we are going to be working on giving you guys an update on the quad since the last video, which has been like 2 months. So, we finally got it in. It looks like the oil pan he got cracked or something like that, but now we're trying to get the motor off of it. So to do that, it looks like we have to take off the floorboards and these sides on it, on both sides, to get it on, because it doesn't look like you can lift it up from the top. Then also you gotta take off the air filter box and the air filter, which I do have a replacement for. So we're gonna have to take off the muffler right here, maybe, and there's a little bolt right there, so that connects the exhaust from here all the way down. Then we're also going to have to take the clutch cover off. So, which is, I think, still the same bolts from any other regular belt box on 570s, which is 10mm bolts, I think. So then you're also going to take off this also. Then by that, we should have some more room to work and stuff. So the only reason why we are probably going to take the fuel rail off and stuff from the gas tank, which goes up from there. We're gonna have to disconnect the transmission also from this. So, and I think there's bolts like down over there. Hold on, let me get my flashlight. Down here, I think, but I think we'll be able to see more when everything's off. So it is dripping a lot of oil. As you can see, this is all fully covered in oil when it's supposed to be like that. I don't know if you guys can see the difference or not, but it looks like you can. Then from there, I think we're gonna take off the shifter, and then we're gonna have to take this off, I think, down there. I don't know if there's different modes or not for this light, so I don't really think you guys can see it all that well. Oh, well, now you can, now if I put a direct beam of light on it. So then we're going to have to hoist it up some way or another. And we're going to have to take off the motor mounts, which is, I think there's 4 of them. One is right there. So it goes all the way up. Then I can't seem to find the other one so far. And then one over there. Now I gotta see if I can find the other one. which I think is mainly over here. Oh, is that it? I can't really seem to find it so far because the transmission is in the way. So, and the reason why I think it's an oil pan problem is because if you look on the dipstick, it looks like there is a gasket that goes along through here and stuff. So, I'm gonna stop saying and stuff. It's really annoying. So, I don't know if we're gonna have to, if there is a mount that goes like right here. Wait, you guys can't see. So, which goes in between those two Phillips head bolts and somehow connects somewhere or another, which is I don't know where though. So, well, that's it for the video.